Making inferences. Read the paragraph, answer the questions. Who was one of the finest architects during Thomas Jefferson's time? The answer is Thomas Jefferson. He became a skilled draftsman as a boy. One of his first projects was to plan his own home. He started designing in 1767 and began building in 1770. Jefferson called this place Monticello, and he lived there until his death in 1826. Jefferson also helped plan the new U.S. Capitol, Washington, D.C. He was the first president to be inaugurated in that city. In later years, he helped design the handsome buildings at the University of Virginia. Number 1. Fill in the correct circle to show whether each statement is a fact, meaning it can be found in the text, or an inference. Jefferson was a man of many talents. Monticello was Jefferson's home. Jefferson helped plan the University of Virginia. Jefferson learned his drafting skills while young. Number 2. Write yes or no under each heading on the chart to show if the word describes Thomas Jefferson as an architect. Industrious, committed, talented.